Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a revolutionary approach to everyday cooking and serious culinary endeavors alike. We're talking about the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, specifically the APEX model. This isn't just another set of pots and pans. GreenPan is touting a hybrid technology that fuses non-stick ceramic with etched stainless steel, all while being PFAS-free. That's a lot of buzzwords, so let's break down what this 13-piece set actually offers and if it lives up to the hype. First, let's look at what's in the box. This comprehensive set includes an 8-inch and a 9.5-inch frying pan, perfect for everything from a quick omelet to searing a steak. For sauces and smaller batches, you get a 1-quart and a 2-quart saucepan, both with lids. Then there's a 3-quart sauté pan, also with a lid, which is incredibly versatile for pan frying, simmering, and even some light braising. Rounding out the cookware, we have a substantial 5-quart stockpot with its lid, ideal for soups, stews, or boiling pasta. Beyond the cookware itself, GreenPan includes a set of 3 essential silicone utensils, a solid spoon, a slotted spoon, and a spatula. This is a thoughtful addition that ensures you have the right tools from the get-go. Now, the heart of this set is GreenPan's APEX Hybrid Thermobond Technology. This is where things get interesting. They're combining their signature diamond-infused, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick with an etched stainless steel pattern. The idea is to give you the best of both worlds, the effortless release and easy cleanup of non-stick, combined with the superior searing capabilities and durability of stainless steel. GreenPan claims this construction makes the cookware 10 times more metal utensil safe than their previous coatings, which is a significant improvement if true. The etched stainless steel pattern isn't just for looks, either. They call it the APEX pattern and say it directs heat for incredible searing power and more efficient cooking. The Infinite 8 ceramic non-stick is another key feature. GreenPan emphasizes that it's PFAS-free, which is a major concern for many home cooks looking for healthier alternatives. They claim this non-stick coating lasts longer and performs better, contributing to healthier meals by requiring less oil or butter. Durability is a big selling point here. Beyond the metal utensil safety claim, the collection features encapsulated stainless steel rims and a chip-resistant design, suggesting these pans are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. You can also feel the quality in the triply stainless steel construction. This means there are 2 layers of stainless steel sandwiching a powerful aluminum core. This triply design is crucial for excellent heat transfer, allowing for even cooking and perfect browning, and it contributes to the overall robustness of the cookware. Versatility is where many cookware sets fall short, but the GreenPan APEX aims to shine. These pots and pans are oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 850 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most home ovens can even go, giving you incredible flexibility for finishing dishes under the broiler or using them in very high heat cooking scenarios. The lids are oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is standard and sufficient for most oven-based cooking. Importantly, this set is optimized for all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. This broad compatibility means you don't have to worry about whether your current or future stove will work with this cookware. Cleaning is always a consideration, and GreenPan states this set is dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. However, as with most high-quality non-stick cookware, a simple wipe down with soap and water will likely suffice for most everyday messes, and hand washing will generally prolong the life of the non-stick coating. The set also incorporates smart details for easier cooking. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handles are riveted for maximum comfort and stability, which is essential when you're maneuvering a full pot. The EasyView tempered glass lids are a great touch, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid and losing precious heat, moisture, and flavor. The description also mentions chip-free pouring rims, which is a small but appreciated detail for mess-free serving. So, let's weigh the pros and cons of the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, APEX. On the pro side, the hybrid construction is a compelling concept, aiming to solve the trade-offs between non-stick ease and stainless steel performance. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick is a significant draw for health-conscious consumers. The 850-degree oven safety is exceptional and offers unparalleled flexibility. The inclusion of utensils and the comprehensive 13-piece count make it a complete starter set. The tri-ply construction promises excellent heat distribution and durability, and the compatibility with all stovetops is a major plus. The claimed metal utensil safety is a strong indicator of improved durability compared to many non-stick pans. However, there are potential cons to consider. While GreenPan claims the non-stick lasts longer and is more durable, the long-term performance of any ceramic non-stick coating can vary. Heavy users might still find they need to replace non-stick pans after a few years, regardless of the brand. The effectiveness of the hybrid searing ability compared to a purely stainless steel pan will also be a point of contention for serious chefs. While the etched pattern is designed to help, it might not replicate the crust you get from a well-seasoned cast iron or a thick-bottomed stainless steel pan. Also, while dishwasher safe, hand washing is often recommended to maintain the longevity of the non-stick surface, which adds a step to cleanup for some. In conclusion, the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, APEX, presents a very attractive package for the modern home cook. It addresses many of the common concerns around non-stick cookware, like PFAS chemicals, while trying to enhance performance with its hybrid design and robust construction. The versatility, from stovetop to oven, is impressive. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that offers a good balance of convenience, health considerations, and performance for everyday cooking, this GreenPan APEX set is definitely worth a close look. It's built to be tough, easy to use, and easy to clean, making it a strong contender in a crowded market. Link in the description.